Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike World. Today we're standing right here outside the legendary Suzuki company headquarters in Japan.
Founded in 1952, Suzuki started with motorized bicycles and quickly became a global force in
Suzuki's incredible legacy includes pioneering two-stroke engines, dominating Grand Prix racing, and creating timeless icons.
These are the bikes that defined eras: the razor-sharp Katana styling revolution, the ultimate speed king Hayabusa.
Here in the design studios, every line, curve, and aerodynamic detail is obsessively perfected to achieve the
Suzuki's engines are masterpieces of engineering. High-revving, torque-rich power plants renowned for durability, efficiency.
Using advanced alloys and state-of-the-art welding technology, Suzuki creates frames that are incredibly stiff for precise handling.
In these ultra-clean paint facilities, multiple coats and clear layers create those deep, flawless finishes that make Suzuki bikes. Human expertise meets robotic precision on the final assembly line, ensuring every component fits perfectly, and
every single motorcycle undergoes exhaustive dyno runs to guarantee uncompromising performance.
Looking ahead, Suzuki is innovating with cleaner electric powertrains, smarter semi-autonomous safety.
None of this would be possible without the passion, skill, and dedication of thousands of talented people who pour their heart into every Suzuki motorcycle.
From daily commuters to track weapons and globe-trotting explorers, Suzuki continues to build motorcycles that
On the proving grounds, Suzuki bikes demonstrate why riders love them. Razor-sharp steering, explosive.
Suzuki's adventure lineup lets you conquer highways, back roads, or continents with unmatched versatility, comfort, and that same thrilling DNA.
That's our exclusive intro tour of the incredible Suzuki world. Massive thanks for watching Bike World.